Why do 90% of glaciers in mountain ranges worldwide shrink each year? Climate change is turning our majestic mountains into fragile memories. Rising temperatures are melting glaciers at an alarming rate. This isn't just about losing ice. Melting glaciers lead to devastating floods and landslides impacting thousands of lives. But that's not all. As glaciers disappear, so does the vital freshwater they provide. Millions rely on this water for drinking, farming, and power. Imagine entire communities struggling to survive, and it doesn't stop there. Wildlife that calls these mountains home is also at risk. Species like the snow leopard and mountain goats face habitat loss and dwindling food sources. We need to act now. Every small action counts. Reduce your carbon footprint, support green policies, and spread awareness. Together we can save our mountains and the countless lives depending on them. Don't wait until it's too late. The mountains need us. Climate change is having a profound impact on the world's mountains. Rising temperatures are causing glaciers to melt at unprecedented rates, leading to a loss of freshwater resources. This not only affects the ecosystems within the mountains, but also the millions of people who rely on this water downstream. Additionally, the thawing of permafrost is causing landslides and destabilizing mountain slopes, posing significant risks to both natural and human-made structures. Imagine the peril faced by remote mountain villages and the ancient trails that have guided travelers for centuries. The changing climate is also altering weather patterns, leading to more extreme weather events such as heavy rainfall and droughts, which further exacerbate the degradation of these majestic landscapes. Picture the once lush green valleys turning arid and barren, leaving wildlife and communities struggling to adapt. It is crucial to take immediate action to mitigate climate change and protect our mountains for future generations. Every effort counts, from supporting sustainable practices to advocating for strong environmental policies. The mountains are more than just picturesque views. They are lifelines for countless species and human communities. Let's stand together to preserve these natural wonders before they vanish forever. The future of our mountains is in our hands. There are numerous ways people can prevent climate change. These include reducing carbon emissions by using public transportation, biking or walking instead of driving. Imagine the impact if more of us chose these greener modes of travel. Our air would be cleaner, and our carbon footprint significantly reduced. Switching to renewable energy sources like solar and wind power can also make a significant impact. Picture a world where our homes and cities are powered by the sun and the wind, drastically cutting down on harmful emissions. Additionally, conserving energy by turning off lights and unplugging devices when not in use can make a big difference. Simple actions like these, when done collectively, can lead to substantial energy savings. Supporting policies and initiatives that aim to reduce greenhouse gas emissions is another crucial step. Your voice matters. Advocate for strong environmental policies and support leaders who prioritize climate action. Planting trees and supporting reforestation projects can help absorb CO2 from the atmosphere. Visualize vast green forests thriving and rebalancing our planet's carbon levels. Lastly, spreading awareness and educating others about the importance of taking action against climate change is vital for collective effort. Share information, start conversations, and inspire those around you to join the fight. Every small step counts. Together we can create a ripple effect that leads to significant change. The future of our planet is in our hands, and it's up to us to make a difference. In addition to the steps you can take individually to mitigate climate change, collective global actions can amplify our efforts. Here are all the ways people around the world can reverse climate change. 1. Reduce, reuse, and recycle. By minimizing waste and reusing materials, we can significantly cut down on the resources needed to produce new products. 1. Use energy-efficient appliances. Energy-efficient appliances consume less electricity, reducing our overall energy demand and decreasing greenhouse gas emissions. 1. Drive less and use public transportation. By opting for public transit, biking, or walking, we can reduce the number of cars on the road, leading to fewer emissions and cleaner air. 1. Plant trees and support reforestation. Trees absorb CO2 from the atmosphere, helping to balance our planet's carbon levels and promote biodiversity. 1. Support renewable energy sources. Transitioning to solar, wind, and other renewable energy sources can drastically decrease our reliance on fossil fuels. 1. Reduce water waste. Conserving water helps reduce the energy required to pump, heat, and treat water, thus lowering carbon emissions. 1. Eat a plant-based diet. Reducing meat consumption can lower methane emissions from livestock and decrease deforestation for agriculture. 1. Advocate for policies that protect the environment. Use your voice to support legislation and leaders who prioritize climate action and sustainability. 1. Educate others about climate change. Sharing knowledge and raising awareness can inspire more people to join the fight against climate change. 1. Support organizations working to combat climate change. Contributing to or volunteering with environmental groups can help drive large-scale efforts to protect our planet. When we unite in these efforts, we can create a powerful force for change. Together, we can build a sustainable future for generations to come. Every action counts, and your contribution makes a difference. As we conclude, let us remember to take care of our beautiful planet that God has given us in the mighty name of Jesus. Every small action counts towards preserving the majesty of our mountains and the health of our earth. Together, we can make a difference. Reflect on the beauty of our natural world, the towering peaks, the lush forests, and the clear streams. These are gifts that we must cherish and protect. Our actions today will decide the legacy we leave for future generations. Embrace the responsibility with a heart full of hope and determination. Whether it's through prayer, community efforts, or individual actions, let us unite in our mission to heal and protect our planet. Remember, change starts with us. Let's be the stewards of the earth that we are called to be. Together, in faith and action, we can restore the balance and ensure that our majestic mountains and all of nature thrive for years to come. Thank you for watching, and may you be inspired to take meaningful steps towards a sustainable future. God bless.